How to open and access the features on a Google form. First thing you want to do is access Google Forms. You can do that by typing Google Forms in the URL bar. If you're signed in with your @longbeachschools.net credential, as I am here, you can tell because my picture is in the upper right-hand corner, and when I hover over it, you can see that I'm signed in at mcarroll@longbeachschools.net. When you type any Google or Gay feature into a search bar in Google, the first thing that comes up will be that feature. For example, I typed in Google Forms, and the first thing that came up was Google Forms, so all I have to do is click on it. When it comes up, you'll see a blue bar that says Go to Google Forms. Click on it. When this page comes up, it'll list all the Google Forms that you have under Recent Forms here. If you want to start a new form, all you have to do is click the plus sign here. In the very top column, you want to put the title of your form. For this one, I'll put test. And then you have the question features at the bottom. Right now we have one question, and if we click on it, we can change it over here from multiple choice to short answer, checkboxes, drop down. Many options appear on this right-hand list. For this one, we'll use multiple choice. All we have to do is put in our question. A lot of times what will happen is an automatic fill-in will come in underneath it. Right now we have the wrong one. It says short answer text. What we want is multiple choice. So all we have to do is come over here and select multiple choice. Then you put in a series of options. This one I'll put in 3. And then we have our question. The next step is if we want to grade this, we have to make it a quiz. In order to make it a quiz, we have to come up here to the gear up in the upper corner. It's right near the send button. Click on it. And then we get some certain options for the form. Under the general settings, we can click collect email messages. And then we have a few other options at the bottom. If we want students to be able to edit their answers after, we can choose this one, edit after submit. In order to make this a quiz, we have to come over here to the quiz button, select quizzes, and then toggle the quiz button. Once we've toggled the quiz button, then this is now a quiz. At the bottom, we can see respondent can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. You can check or uncheck these boxes based on your needs. All we have to do is click save, and now this is a quiz. However, there is one more step. We have to make sure that we select the right answer, so when the kids take the quiz, they'll be marked either correct or incorrect. All we have to do is click on answer key, select the right answer. Of course, blue is the right answer. Okay. Then we need to put in how many points this particular question is worth. I'm going to make this one 5. Okay. And then now this is a quiz. All we have to do is click edit question. Okay. And then on our sheet, we see blue, and it's checked because it's the right answer. We can make it required by toggling this button down here. And then when the students take the quiz, they have to answer this. And then I have it set to give feedback after the answer. So once the student answers this, they'll see whether they were right or wrong. Then you can go through and add questions to your quiz by clicking this plus button. And then another field will come up. You put in your question, and then you move on. You can toggle this little picture icon right here to have a picture that represents the entire question, or you can add one picture in for each question, and that's this image right here. So this one goes with the main question, and this one goes with each possible answer to that question. If you have any questions, just give me a call, or you can email me at mcarroll@longbeachschools.net.